This is cannon school.
We're doing a safety school for shooting muzzle-loading cannons.
You're gonna ram, you're gonna swab.
We call ourselves artillery. We're just artillerists. That's a word, artillerists.
Welcome to another episode of History Tellers. In this episode, Paul Shankman transports us back to 18th century French colonial America as we learn how to shoot cannon just the way the troops did at Fort de Chartres on the eastern bank of the Mississippi River in what was then New France and is now southern Illinois.
Vent is cleaned.
What is the appeal of shooting cannons?
Duh! It goes a big bang and there's lots of smoke.
And it is one of the most exciting things to hear that cannon go off.
When you're reaching in your pocket to get out your earplug and you use hearing aids, don't pull the hearing aids out. I've done that once.
They make sure you understand it. They actually give you a test on the different things that you need to know, because it's the people who think they know what they're doing and they don't. That's when the big messes happen.
You have a crew, and each crew member has a specific job he must do. And it goes bang. Did I mention that?
Shunde.
I don't understand French. I mean, they go through the words in French and I'm like, just tell me what to do.
LeMay.
I told you I wasn't good at French.
We started this school in, I think it was 93, and here we are.
Trust your intuition. If it feels safe, it probably is after all this instruction.
All right, do you guys have your tinfoil? A lot of reenactors. There's reenactor groups all the way up and down the Mississippi. We have a lot of pirates. They're okay. They're not really pirates.
You didn't put the charge in, right?
No. No.
They make you run through it dry fire. Then you actually get to do the actual boom.
Search the bar. Stop the bar. Seat the charge. Ram it. Fire! Nice job.
It's just a big group of people who are enjoying time away from the world.
Hold on.
It's a part of history.
Seat the charge.
And that's, I think, is the amazing thing, is the used to be, because it never will be again.